Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Now I will show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. Write whether my solution helped you. Did you manage to do so? If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, go to Instagram. Then select your profile where we want to deactivate it. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Settings and Privacy. Media. Account Center. Personal Details. Account Ownership and Control. Deactivation or Deletion. Instagram Account. Next, select Deactivation Account. Click Continue. After that, we need to maintain the password for our Instagram account. Confirm, and once again lead and click Confirm. After that, our account will be deactivated. And if we want to re-enter it and activate it again, we will just need to enter the password and login, and we will be able to re-enter it. But at this point, it will be deactivated. Write whether my solution helped you. If you have any questions, and let me know below in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Goodbye.